I'm His Royal Majesty as the Dr. Ambassador Chukwuemeka, as the Igbo in the whole of Ghana, by the special grace of God.
Thank you very much. Chukwuemeka is an unquantifiable loss to the Igbo nation. So just give us your view of how the Igbo community in Ghana will miss Ezeife.
I got to know our late father. That was 2009 when he came to Ghana. We hosted him very well. And he said, Chukwudi, you are the board chairman of PDP Ghana chapter. Have you heard about Igbo traditional culture in diaspora? I said, no, Daddy. He said, I can see there is peace in Ghana and there is many more Igbos in Ghana. The only thing that will bring Igbos more closer in peace and in love is to establish Igbo kingdom in Ghana called Ezeife. And from today, I have to push up this to make sure Igbo in Ghana have strong tradition and culture. That the only thing that can bring Igbo more closer is our culture and our tradition, not politics, and nothing else apart from that. Then he came back to Nigeria. From 2010, he started pushing it out to 2011. The 2012, I was called to be in this office of Ezeife Ghana today, being 12 years of my throne. So the brain behind and the force behind of Igbo throne in Ghana is Chukwuemeka Ezeife, Okwadike. From that time till now, he became my mentor. When my father died 2015, he came to my village, Igbo. He even slept over, and the entire family and the entire Imo State Igbo was happy to have him. Since that time, I always make sure I relate with him. He advises me, he talks to me. As he died, I flew in this morning to make sure I mourn him and I join the entire world to mourn him. He's a man that has left a lot of legacy. His legacy will never die. He does not love only the Igbos, but he loves all Nigerians and humanity. I say his soul rest in peace. And I also say the family to bear the loss. That in the last day we meet in heaven. Amen.